Welcome back to Echoes of the Reality, where we explore the deepest truths of existence, unravel the mysteries of life, and challenge the very foundation of our understanding. If you're someone who craves wisdom and insight, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a mind-bending concept that has puzzled humanity for centuries: the paradox of knowledge. The deeper you dig, the more you realize how little you truly know. So sit back, clear your mind, and let's embark on a journey of profound realization. The paradox of knowledge. What is the paradox of knowledge? Have you ever felt that the more you learn, the more you realize just how much you don't know? This is the Socratic paradox, often summarized as, "I know that I know nothing." This idea suggests that true wisdom doesn't come from knowing everything but from understanding the limits of your own knowledge. Socrates, one of history's greatest philosophers, argued that the wisest people are those who recognize their ignorance. But why is this paradox so important? Because it challenges the very foundation of our learning. The moment we think we have all the answers, we stop growing. But when we acknowledge our gaps in knowledge, we open ourselves to deeper understanding. And trust me, this idea is more relevant today than ever before. Historical background and its impact on philosophy. Let's travel back in time. Ancient Greece, the birthplace of philosophy. Socrates walked the streets of Athens, questioning scholars, politicians, and artisans. He would ask simple yet profound questions, exposing how little even the so-called experts truly knew. His method of inquiry, what we now call the Socratic method, was a way of seeking deeper truth by continuously questioning assumptions. The more questions he asked, the more contradictions he uncovered. And this led to a profound realization: the pursuit of knowledge is endless. Fast forward to today, and the paradox still applies. Scientists, philosophers, and intellectuals across all fields experience it. The most accomplished minds, Einstein, Darwin, Hawking, never claimed to have all the answers. Instead, they embraced uncertainty and sought to expand the boundaries of human understanding. How the paradox of knowledge affects our daily lives. Now, you might be wondering, how does this ancient idea apply to your life? Think about it. Every time you gain new knowledge, whether it's in school, your career, or personal development, you uncover deeper complexities. Let's say you start learning about psychology. At first, the basic concepts make sense: behavior, emotions, cognition. But as you dig deeper, you realize how many theories exist, how human minds work in unpredictable ways, and how much is still unknown. Or take technology. How many of us thought we understood the internet, only to realize the vast world of algorithms, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity is beyond comprehension? The more we learn, the more layers we uncover, and the more mysteries arise. The illusion of expertise and the Dunning-Kruger Effect. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Have you ever met someone who thinks they know everything about a topic, yet their understanding is actually shallow? This phenomenon is called the Dunning-Kruger Effect, a cognitive bias where people with low ability overestimate their knowledge. On the flip side, those who are truly knowledgeable tend to underestimate their expertise because they are aware of the complexities they still don't understand. This is why beginners often have overconfidence, while experts are more cautious with their claims. So next time you see someone who is absolutely certain about everything, be skeptical. True intelligence lies in curiosity, questioning, and embracing the unknown. The paradox in science and human advancement. Let's talk about science. We once believed the Earth was flat, until evidence showed otherwise. We thought Newton's laws explained everything in physics, until Einstein's relativity reshaped our understanding of space and time. And even today, the mysteries of dark matter, consciousness, and the universe itself remind us how little we actually know. Science thrives on the paradox of knowledge. Every answer leads to new questions. This is what drives human progress. The moment we assume we know it all, we stop advancing. But by embracing uncertainty, we continue pushing the boundaries of discovery. How can you apply this insight in your own life? So, how can you use the paradox of knowledge to your advantage? Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Stay curious. Always question your assumptions. 1. Don't settle for simple answers, dig deeper. 2. Embrace lifelong learning. No matter how much you know, there's always more to explore. 2. Read, listen, and engage with different perspectives. Practice intellectual humility. Recognizing your own ignorance is a strength, not a weakness. It allows you to grow and adapt. By applying these principles, you'll not only expand your knowledge but also develop a deeper, more profound understanding of the world around you. Final thought. Can knowledge ever be complete? Here's a final thought. Can knowledge ever be truly complete? Or are we destined to remain in a constant state of discovery? Some believe that one day, we might unlock the ultimate secrets of the universe. Others argue that knowledge, like the universe, is infinite. What do you think? Will humanity ever reach a point where we know everything? Or is true understanding forever just out of reach? Let's discuss this in the comments. Closing thoughts and call to action. So, what do you think? Have you ever experienced the paradox of knowledge in your own life? Have you ever learned something, only to realize how much more there is to learn? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you enjoyed this deep dive into philosophy, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Echoes of the Reality, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And if you found this video thought-provoking, share it with someone who loves exploring deep ideas. Remember, true wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about understanding how little we truly know. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want even more depth, we can expand by adding more historical examples, further psychological insights, or connections to modern digital information overload. Let me know how you'd like to proceed.